Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be unboxing this iPad Air, so let's get started. So around the box, there isn't any information really. It's only on the bottom, you guys will see the serial number. And then on the sides, there's these tabs where we can open up the box. We just take these out, so both tabs out. Then we can actually open this up and take a look at what's inside. So let's just open it up. We're going to put the iPad on the side for now. And take a look at what's in here. So we got our manuals, power cable, and our brick. But that's it. So right now in this shot, you get to see everything that comes with this iPad. Anyways, let's just start off taking a look at the manuals. So here we go. We're just gonna take a look at the manuals, all the paperwork that comes with this. And there isn't much. So here we go. These in several languages, by the way. So that's the French one. There we go. And English. All right, so this just gives you a quick glimpse about how to use the iPad. Really quick, just for new users. But again, if you guys want to see this in action, make sure to watch my setup video and manual for it. It's an unboxing, so we're gonna get to see exactly that, what comes inside the box. Next up, we've got the cable. So this is to charge up your iPad. Let me just take this out from this. And the cable, you will notice there's no markings on it. So let me just show you, because they don't come with any markings except for one of the sides. So I'm gonna show you that. On the cable itself, again, nothing. And it's USB-C, by the way. So let me just see which side it has the marking. So it's this one. Let me zoom in. And there we go. So you can barely see it, but there's markings right there. That's it. That's all you guys will see. There's no any other markings anywhere around the cable. It's only there. You guys can barely read it, I know. But there you go. That's the closest I can go. So again, that would be the cable. No other markings. Now here is the brick. Just gonna take this out. That's how it looks like. Standard brick. Let me zoom in on it so you guys can see the info. And here's the info. So what's different between this brick and the other ones for iPads? Nothing. You guys will notice it's the exact same one for all iPads. On the back, everywhere. You guys can literally see that right here on all the information that it tells you. It's the exact same one as the other iPads. So that's it for this. And now let's take a look at the iPad itself. So let's open this up. And here's the iPad Air. By the way, I do have a video that shows you this iPad and the other one. The one that's bigger, this one's the smaller one. The bigger one, like, you guys can compare it, because I do have a video about that. And actually I have several videos comparing several iPads and several colors, so you guys can check that out as well. But here's the iPad. There's not that much to show you around the iPads because they're very minimal. So just to show you, here's the port. So that's one of the ports. Around this side, there's nothing to show you because there's literally nothing. On this side, on the other hand, we have our power button. And then we got volume keys. Camera obviously is up there. There's this here, but that's not a port or anything. This is if you get a keyboard, or else it won't matter ever. And again, here's the back, so you guys can appreciate the back. Now let's just turn this on so you guys can check it out. So here I am, just gonna turn it on for the first time. You're gonna see an up logo. And then the welcome screen where you have to set up everything. But once again, in this video, we're not gonna set this up. Just gonna show you up to where the screen goes, because it's good to see that. Because these iPads make it look like the screen goes up to the edge, but it really doesn't. It goes only up to there. And one thing that I forgot to show you or even talk about is one of the biggest changes. The camera is up here. It's no longer on the sides. So it used to be up there or down here. And right now it's up here. So it's horizontal. So that's the biggest, well, one of the biggest changes they made. Other than that, they're pretty thin, pretty much the same when you're just looking at it. And here's another look at it. And from this side, you guys will notice the screen flips whichever side I set this on. But anyways, there's really not much more to show you because we just showed you everything that comes within the box. You guys can appreciate the color of this iPad. And if you guys want to see the differences between all iPads, I do have a separate video for that. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.